It's Bonnie. Happy Monday! Oh my goodness, I feel like Christmas is officially arrived, which means there's less than 2 months until the big day, which means we all have to start Christmas shopping, including myself. I've actually already got a lot of stuff, and it's all Avon. So Bath and Body Works. Avon, Bath and Body Works. Those are my two gifting things for those of you that know me. Oh my goodness, you guys. So I wanted to do a really fun video on 10 gifts under $15. So for those of you just joining me, I am an online Avon rep, which means I do videos to share all the Avon products. You can order any of the products from me on my e-store. Shipping is free on 60 plus. You can also sign up for my e-coupons. I have a link below, or you can go to www.queenofthegirlgeeks.com, which is my blog. So definitely sign up for those coupons. They get sent from Avon, and it's like 10% off 40. They're all different. Sometimes you get a free A-box if you spend 60. They're just all different. So definitely sign up. I don't know what they're doing for Black Friday, but it's kind of exciting. I know something's coming. So, digging in here. There are so many people on my list that I need to buy a small gift for, like under $15. And these are gifts that I'm actually gifting to people in my life. So Avon does like an amazing job with the under $15 gifts. So number one is my actual favorite one. I bought a ton of these, you guys. They brought back the skin softeners. These are these awesome kind of perfumed little jars, and they're in the classic scents, you guys. You know how much I love these classic scents, like Night Magic. So check it out. Perfumed lotion. These smell so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. They soften your skin. They're really, really nice, and they're in this cute little pot. So these are actually $3.99. Check it out. Nostalgia in a pot for $3.99. These remind me so much of high school, junior high. Night Magic, Sweet Honesty, Candid, and then, did I just say Sweet Honesty? I didn't say Sweet Honesty. You guys, Sweet Honesty. Odyssey. I was looking at Honesty. I hope I didn't do that. These are some of my favorites. So they also have Timeless. All the favorite ones. You can get 4 of these. Check it out. For $12. You can even throw in a lip balm and you're still under $15. So this is an awesome under $15 gift that people are going to be talking about because everyone gets excited when they see these nostalgic scents. So I would load up on those. They're great for gifts. You can even one-off those. Teachers, any gift that you need to give out, those are awesome. So that's my number one favorite under $15 gift. My second favorite under $15 gift are these giant Skin So Soft shower gels. I have a lot of people in my family that love the Skin So Soft shower gel. These are actually $12.99, and they're also doing a deal where you get the shower gel and then a hand cream, and it's still the same price. It's $12.99. Kind of a bundle deal. But these are an awesome deal. I mean, this is like a pretty hefty gift for under $15. Everyone gets excited when they see the big Avon bottles with the pump. Number 3 on my list, I'm really loving the slippers. These are, I want to say, I didn't pull these up. Oh my gosh, you guys. I think these are $14.99 under $15. They come in pink. They come in like a jet black. They're crushed velvet. And there's also a pair that's like a slip-on with a star in it. So slippers are always a good under $15 gift. So keep those in mind. If you want to do something from last year, you can get last year's slippers. They look kind of like this. Only they're like sparkly. They're on sale right now for $10.99. Limited sizes though. But if you go $10.99, then you can add a hand cream or a lip balm, so they're getting a really cozy, fun gift. So definitely look at the slippers. Those are a favorite thing to gift. You got another size though. That's the only problem. So you got to kind of know the person to do slippers. Oh, Timeless. See, I had Timeless sitting here. I cannot get over how much I love these. Next gift. This one's a good one. These are, I think, $13.99. The Apple Glaze Body Lotion. And you know what I like about these? I have a lot of people on my list who like the dye-free, paraben-free stuff. So these are actually free from paraben, mineral oil, phthalates, and dyes. It's got a nice apple, wintry, fruity scent. This is a really neat gift for someone. Gotta love that one. If you're looking to give someone jewelry, this is one of my favorite jewelry pieces from the Iconic collection. It is only $12.99. Check that out. It's kind of like a little lucite plastic with a little faux gem inside there. I don't know why this one looks so pretty on. I've been wearing this in a lot of my videos. I don't know why. This is just really appealing to me, this necklace. I love Avon jewelry. I really do. This is like amazing to me how nice their jewelry is. Check that out. Doesn't it look nice? I love this one. Speaking of jewelry, I am over the top in love with my rings. The earrings have already sold out in the Jet. These, I have a feeling, in the next campaign, we could start getting these sold out because people are really loving these. It's a 2-piece set for $12.99. They come in blue, they come in red, and they come in jet black. But I've gotten so many compliments on these rings. I actually just ordered the red one, and I got my mom all 3 of them. The set, $12.99. You can even add a lip balm in there as a little extra. Still under $15. Next up, the makeup applicator. I like these because they come in a box and they're cutesy, and you get like this little ornament. They also have a Christmas tree one. My snowman's upside down, you guys. Come on. Those are so cute. Everyone loves a nice foamy makeup applicator. They say Avon on them, so they're even more special. You could get one of these for $8.99. Add 2 hand creams, and you're still like under $15. That's an awesome gift. My final one that I picked out is this adorable little ornament. Oh my gosh, you guys, is this like nostalgic overload here? These are $11.99. It lights up, you guys. Check it out. It's like one of those old-fashioned ceramic Christmas trees, and it's a light up. I don't know. I just can't get over how much I love this thing. It's going on my tree. And you can, because it's only $11.99, it's $12. Add a hand cream. So you get the set for under $15. How cute is that? Snowman and a Christmas tree. Or you could do one of the different hand creams. So those are my picks for gifts under $15. I think we have so many choices. That's what I love about Avon. Literally, there's a million choices. I could probably put together 50 combos of gifts that are under $15. The lipsticks, the mascara. I mean, depending on who you're buying for, there's a lot of different choices. So all my links are below. I also have a link if you want to sign up now for Avon. I don't know how long they're going to do this, but till the end of the year, you can sign up for free. You can sell to yourself, you can sell to your friends, you can sell to your family. It's a lot of fun. I really enjoy being an Avon lady. And I'm loving all my stuff. Like I said, I'm a nostalgic overload. Is Timeless? I didn't open Timeless yet. I'm on nostalgic overload with these perfumed skin. What are they called? They have a name for them. They're skin softeners. That's the Avon name for them. So if you want to join, I do have a team, Team Luminosity. All the links are below. And we have a lot of fun. I do some giveaways. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below. And I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Bye-bye.